The one I read a TikTok's early employees recount and discovered the simple yet revolutionary product philosophy. That turned a struggling startup into the global giant behind TikTok. What the founder told this young product manager in 2014 didn't just save one person's career, it became the foundation for building products that billions of people cannot stop using. The moment that changed everything, picture this. March 2014, TikTok office, late evening. A young product manager sits across from TikTok's founder, ready to quit after just 5 months. The PM has a new opportunity with better promises and wants to pursue his brilliant social media idea that he's been obsessing over for months. What happened next in that conference room would fundamentally reshape how we think about product development. The big boss didn't try to convince him with money or titles. Instead, he asked one simple question that completely shattered the PM's elaborate product vision. That question revealed what I now call the TikTok product law. And understanding it will make you see every app on your phone differently. The fatal flaw in perfect products. The departing PM had what seemed like a genius idea for fixing social media apps. He noticed that following too many people on platforms like Twitter led to timeline pollution. You would follow someone for their tech insights, but get bombarded with their random life updates. His solution was elegant. Let users choose specific topics when following someone, creating perfectly curated feeds from domain experts. The product manager even built interactive prototypes and discussed it. Seasoned product managers who couldn't find flaws in the concept. The logic was bulletproof, the user experience thoughtful, and the problem real. Yet the TikTok founder destroyed it with basic arithmetic. Calculate how many clicks a new user needs to get a usable homepage, TikTok founder said. Then calculate how many users will actually complete those steps. The realization hit like lightning. Every additional step creates a conversion funnel. With 10,000 new users, how many would actually find experts, select topics, and complete enough follows to populate their feeds? The math was devastating. The product was fundamentally broken before it even launched. The universal product law from this interaction emerged what the PM later called the TikTok product law. User benefits must exceed operational costs for any product to succeed. This isn't just about ByteDance, it's the hidden force behind every successful product you've ever used. Think about it. Instagram stories succeeded because creating and consuming content required minimal effort for maximum social reward. Netflix autoplay works because the benefit of continuous entertainment outweighs the zero-effort cost of doing nothing. Even complex tools like Photoshop work because the professional benefits justify the learning investment. The law explains why so many innovative products fail. They demand users learn new behaviors, navigate complex interfaces, or complete multiple steps to access value. Most users simply won't make that investment, no matter how revolutionary the end result might be. The recommendation revolution, his insight, went deeper than just operational simplicity. He told the PM that information discovery couldn't be solved through user actions. It required algorithmic recommendation. This wasn't just product advice. It was a glimpse into the future of digital platforms. While every other company was trying to build better social networks, ByteDance was quietly perfecting the science of algorithmic content delivery. They understood that users do and want to curate their own experience. They want algorithms to do it for them. This insight became the foundation for everything from Todio to TikTok, platforms that now serve billions of users daily. The death of user onboarding. This product law explains why most user onboarding flows are fundamentally flawed. Those interest selection screens that every content app shows, they violate the law completely. Most users skip them, and those who engage often choose aspirational interests rather than revealing their true preferences. The most extreme example was an app that required users to watch a tutorial video before they could begin using it. This approach assumes users will invest time learning your system before receiving any benefit. They won't. The operational cost is too high, and the promised benefit too uncertain. The most brilliant onboarding ever implemented was when WeChat launched minigames. Instead of tutorials or explanations, users opened the app and immediately started playing. The benefit was instant, the cost was zero, and millions of users discovered the new feature organically. It's the data-driven culture. What made TikTok different wasn't just this product philosophy, it was how they institutionalized scientific thinking. While other companies relied on executive intuition, ByteDance built a culture around A/B testing and data-driven decisions. They would randomly split new users into test groups, comparing everything from permission requests to recommendation algorithms. One fascinating experiment tested whether requesting browser history would improve content recommendations. The results showed no improvement in user retention. Despite the additional privacy invasion, pure data trumped logical assumptions. This scientific approach extended to advertising effectiveness. When a team claimed their Subway ads were performing well, the founder simply asked for the data, without corresponding increases in search volume or other measurable metrics. The successful campaign was revealed as wishful thinking. The TikTok moment. This product law perfectly explains TikTok's explosive growth. While competitors created complex video creation tools, TikTok optimized for the simplest possible content creation and consumption experience. Users could create engaging content with minimal effort and consume endless entertainment with zero effort. The Platform's recommendation system embodied the founder's core insight: users shouldn't have to work to find good content. The algorithm would learn their preferences through behavior, not explicit choices. The taste for simplicity, perhaps the most profound insight from the founder's philosophy, is that simplicity requires exceptional taste, as he noted, quoting Steve Jobs. It all comes down to taste. The best product managers aren't those who can envision elaborate solutions, but those who can identify the minimal viable interaction that delivers maximum value. They understand that every additional step, every extra click, every moment of user confusion is a barrier to success. Why this matters now. In our current AI-powered product landscape, this product law is more relevant than ever. As we build increasingly sophisticated tools, the temptation to showcase capability through complexity is overwhelming. But users don't want to learn new interfaces. They want tools that amplify their existing behaviors. The most successful AI products don't ask users to change how they work. Instead, they integrate seamlessly into existing workflows, providing enhanced capabilities without operational overhead. The winners in the AI revolution won't be those with the most advanced technology, but those who make that technology disappear into effortless user experiences. An EndNote TikTok founder's simple question in that 2014 conference room revealed a fundamental truth about product development that most companies still ignore. The TikTok product law isn't just about ByteDance's success, about understanding human nature at scale. Users will always choose the path of least resistance, and successful products are those that align with this reality, rather than fighting against it. The next time you're designing a feature or evaluating a product, ask yourself that question. What's the actual operational cost for users, and does the benefit truly exceed it? Your answer will determine whether you're rebuilding the next TikTok or the next forgotten app that demanded too much from people who just wanted something simple that worked.